Hello and welcome to Share's Learning Management System upgrade video. Today I'm just going to talk you through how you will be able to navigate and find things on Share's Learning Management System. I'm currently logged in as a user on the system, so whenever you log into the LMS, this is what you will see when you log in. We have our logo at the top here, then we have banners, and these can move and change. And then to navigate the system, we now have learning belts. So your name as the user will appear here, and you will have your learning. And along here, you will have anything that has been assigned to you or any courses you have clicked in. Anything that's recently been assigned to you will be added here, so as you can see what the admin for your organisation has added you to. If you have any events coming up that are held on the system, these will also show here. Any recently added courses that we have added to the system will appear here, so as you're able to see any new courses that come onto our LMS. If you'd like to delve deeper, you can click View All on any of the belts, and it will take you to this page. You'll then have your name and your learning. These courses don't have a due date assigned to them yet, but if you have any courses that do have a due date, this will appear here as well. If you would like to see more information on the course, this will show here, and you can also enter to start the course. At the top here, this is your insights. So it tells you how many minutes and hours you have done on the system. It'll tell you what you have been doing, so any assessments, any e-learning courses, and any badges that you've achieved. If you have saved any courses for later, you will find these here, as you'll have bookmarked them. And any achievements you have. So if you've completed any courses, these will also show here, and it'll show you that you've achieved a certificate with this. If you would like to find any courses on the system, click Finder, and you have all the titles that will appear. If you would like to do a course, click into this section, and it will pop up with the courses on the section. If you want to click further into the course, you can click on the course. It'll appear here. You'll have the details and what's included in this course, so e-learning and assessment, and then you'll achieve your certificate. If you would like to start the course, click Start. If, however, you'd like to bookmark it for later, click here and it will appear in your Bookmark for Later section. Any courses that you start in the system will automatically log on your CPD log. Hello, and welcome to the training video for admins and line managers on how to assign training courses to your team. We're also going to cover how you will be able to see your team and their progress, how to run reports, and how to see if there's any actions for your team as well. So when you log in, this is the page that you'll see. If you want to browse any of the courses, you can click on Finder and you can view things through there. However, don't forget we also have our brochure on our website, on the Share website, and you'll be able to click through our courses on here as well. Going back to the LMS, when you come on to here, you will be able to assign courses for your team. There's multiple ways that you can do this, but as the admin and line manager, you can use the Create section here. So if I click on Create, this will take you to the tab that you're used to seeing, where you're able to upload any documents, any videos, create any forms for your team and courses. If you are used to creating courses or pathways and you'd like to continue doing this, or maybe you'd like to give it a go, click Create and type in your title, and then when it clicks Create Course, then it'll take you through to a page where you'll be able to add any courses on the system to this pathway, this course that you're creating, to be able to then assign the course for your users. So that's still the same as the current system that we have. The course will then appear in your Manage tab. So when the course then appears here, you'll be able to click into the course and you can click on Users and Rules like as it currently stands, register your user, and then you can use the search function here. If I type in Victor here and just add Victor as an example, I can then set the due date for Victor. I can reset any progress as well if Victor's already completed this course. So you'd be able to do the same for your users. And then when you click finish, that will assign them to that course. We also have Find Learning in this section. So if we go back to Create, you've still got your Manage tab here, which is where we were, and you've also got Find Learning. So again, you can click on any of the courses here, and then what you can do is select whichever course you're wanting to assign. You can click Common Tasks, Users and Rules, and again, register the user that you're wanting to find. Click Next, and then assign a deadline date or reset the progress as well. So that's how you can assign training courses on the system. If we go back to the main page that you see when you come in, if you're wanting to see your team, you can go to this check-in tab at the top here, and this is how to see your team at a glance. So this is our test site here, so we've only got Victor assigned, and this will allow you to see your learner progress, so you'll be able to see if they're overdue on anything, due soon, complete, or new. So we obviously only have one person here, but you would be able to see your whole team in the view dashboard. You can give a shout out to any colleagues with some applauses. You can set CPD time as well. Milestones this month, how much collectively your team have done. You'll be able to also see where they shine brightest, so you'll be able to see what they've been working on, whether it's e-learning or assessments. And you'll be able to see how many badges they've completed. So you'll be able to see, for example, if they've completed a course in accounting and how many minutes, committee and how many minutes, and financial inclusion. These are just a couple of the ones that I've clicked on as an example for this, but you'll be able to see little badges for your team. And then you can also delve deeper to see people's learning habits. And you can search for people here. If we go back up to the top of here, if there's any actions that are outstanding, this is still the same as currently. You'd be able to view these in the Outstanding Actions tab. If we go back to check in, you can see your activity log. So this is where you'll be able to see people in your team. And remember, you can change these to say outstanding, completed, cancelled, or failed. So if you wanted everything that was outstanding, you could click here and then download that as a PDF. You can click completed, everything that's completed, and download that as a PDF. So that just shows you your team for just short, brief reporting on the activity log. But if you want to delve deeper with more in-depth reports, you can do this here. So you can click on any of the reporting features that we have, and they will then be able to pull up your team and run a report on them. You can expand this, so as you can still run all the reporting functions that we have. If you are wanting to delve deeper into your team, you'll find it on this page here. If you have any questions relating to the admin features or the line manager features, please do get in contact with us at elearning@share.org.uk, and we'll be happy to set up a one-to-one Teams call to talk through how we can make this work for your team as well. But hopefully that gives you an idea of what this page has to offer you. To download your CPD log on the system, if you go to your Learning tab and click View All, then if you go to Export My Task List, you can click PDF, and this is where your CPD log will pop up. So it'll have your name, your organisation, any activities that you've been assigned to, the amount of times you've clicked into it, if you've completed it, and any CPD hours completed as well. So this is anything so far that you have been assigned to. However, if you wanted to see what you've achieved, you go to your achievement section and you click the three dots and you can export your completed task list. click PDF and that will come up with your name, your organisation and the course that you have completed and the time spent, your best score, completion date and any CPD hours as well. You can save this as a PDF so you can download it or you can send it to print.